Welcome to Hillside Builder. Today we will see how a sturdy and modern two-storey house was built step by step on an empty plot of land. This dream structure stands tall with every task completed perfectly and professionally. Let's take a look at the entire process. The construction work is accurate measurement. In the video you can see that the boundaries of the foundation are being determined by marking the ground with lime according to the design of an experienced engineer. Then, drains are being dug to a specific depth using a powerful small excavator. These drains will hold the entire weight of the house firmly to the ground. Before the foundation is poured, large plastic pipes for sewage and water lines are being installed. Extreme care must be taken at this stage of the work, as once poured, it is difficult to change them. The correct slope of these pipes underground has been ensured so that there is no problem with the movement of water. First, a thin layer of concrete, or CC, is poured into the excavated drain. Then the work of the rods begins. A strong cage is being made with rods for each beam. The rods are tied in such a way that it can protect the house in the event of an earthquake or any other natural disaster. Beams are being covered with wooden planks for formwork. Then a high-quality concrete mixer is poured directly into the beams using a concrete mixer truck. After casting, a vibrator machine is used to ensure that there are no hollow parts inside and the casting is solid. After the foundation is made, the surrounding area is filled with sand and gravel and levelled. Polythene is spread over the ground to prevent moisture or damp. On top of that, a mesh of rods is laid and concrete is poured evenly over the entire floor area, which forms the first floor of the house. Dried, the brick hollow block construction work has begun. The walls are being built perfectly with cement mortar between each brick. Rods and concrete lintels have been used to take the load on the upper part of the windows and doors, which gives extra strength to the walls. floor walls are completed, centering is being done for the roof. Strong wooden beams and iron props, supports, have been used here. At the same time, a beautiful staircase structure is being made inside the building with rods. Then the entire work has been strengthened by pouring concrete on the roof and stairs together. After the ground floor walls are completed, centering is being done for the roof. Strong wooden beams and iron props, supports, have been used here. At the same time, a beautiful staircase structure is being made inside the building with rods. Then the entire work has been strengthened by pouring concrete on the roof and stairs together. After the entire building's walls are finished, one of the most exciting parts of the house begins, building the roof frame. A sturdy triangular structure is being created using large wooden beams and rafters. This not only strengthens the house, but also gives it a European modern look. A building's walls are finished, one of the most exciting parts of the house begins, building the roof frame. A sturdy triangular structure is being created using large wooden beams and rafters. This not only strengthens the house, but also gives it a European modern look. At the end of the video, you can see the entire roof being covered with sturdy plywood or planks over the wooden structure. Thus, through hard work, modern equipment and proper engineering, the main structure or skeleton of a magnificent two-story house was completed. How did you like this incredible journey of the construction industry? If you have any questions about this house, let us know in the comments. If you want to see more such construction-related videos, subscribe to our channel Hillside Builder and press the bell icon. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share it. Thanks for staying with us.